Hi, I'm Jolene, the rental manager here at Affinity RV. I would like to introduce the 2019 Red Hawk 22C SE. This coach is on the 6-liter V8 Chevy chassis. So along with the Chevy chassis, this coach also has stable track and traction control as well for better stability and control of the RV. Let me show you some of the exterior storage compartments on the motorhome. So inside here we've got a nice little storage compartment here with the little holders on it, so you don't have to worry about the compartment door just flapping down. And it also has an onboard generator. It is a Onan 4000. So when you're out dry camping, you can just fire up your generator and you'll have power when you need it. This is an exterior shower. And in right here, you'll see a couple different water connections. One is a black tank flush, so when you're flushing out your black tank. And then this is a city water connection. This is also where you would fill your freshwater tank that you have on board. So you can either hook up to direct water at the park, or you can hook up here and fill up your potable water on board. And then inside here is this is just where your power cord stows. When you're driving down the road, you'll just stow it inside the compartment. When you're at your campsite, you'll just run the cord down through this little compartment here into your 30 amp service at your park. Inside this compartment, this is just a little bit more of a storage compartment. I store things in the RV, sewer hoses, etc. This is also where your low point drains are, and this is also where your watering system is for changing whether you're going to go to city fill, if you're going to use your water pump, if you're going to fill your onboard tank. You have these valves here with the diagram to tell you which position you need to put those in so that you can do whatever option you decide to do. And then below this compartment is your dumping station. So this is where you would hook up your sewer hose. You have your gray, which is your sink and shower, and you have your black, which is your toilet water. As you can see, this coach also has one slide on the driver's side. This is where your bed would slide out. I'll show you more of that when we get inside the unit. Coach has a nice big size window on the back side as well. So as you can see, we're on the passenger side of the RV now. And let me show you a couple more storage compartments that we have. This coach has quite a bit of storage on it. This is where we would keep our Lynx levelers to help level the coach. And this is also the water hose for filling your water tank or city water connection. And this is just another little storage compartment. This is where you would hook up for solar if you wanted to, or cable connection, etc. Coach has onboard or exterior speakers, so if you wanted to listen to the dash stereo inside, you have a little switch inside the entry. You can just flip it either from inside to exterior, and you can listen to your radio outside. Has a electric awning. I'll show you the switch inside when we get inside the RV. This is your electric or gas propane water heater and exterior refrigerator compartment. And then this is your onboard propane tank. And then also this coach has a electric step. So with the flip of a switch, your step will go in, so you don't have to manually push it in or out as you're traveling down the road. When you get to where your destination is, you want to just open the door, flip the switch, and then your step will stay out. So you don't have to worry about it going in and out as you're, exiting or entering the RV. Okay, come on inside and I'll show you some of our features of the interior of the RV. So as you enter the RV, you can see that you have a nice king-sized mattress up above the cab. You just fold this over and just climb on. You have a TV up here that also swivels out with the pull of a cord. You just pull this cord out And you can slide your TV out and watch TV as you're sitting in a dinette. And then you can see you've got a nicely spacious cab area up here, so you can enter the coach from either of the two cab doors, or you can just enter down below with the cushion up above, of course. This is where you have your water heater, your water pump switches, you have electric and gas, and you have tank heaters. Also, this is where your slide out switch is to extend and retract your rear slide, as well as you have a switch in the back. Also, this is your switch to start your onboard generator. This is your monitor panel also that tells you what the status is of your batteries, your fresh water, your black and gray. So if you just push this little black button, it'll tell you what the status is of your batteries. If you push the fresh water, it'll tell you what the status is of your onboard fresh water, and black and gray as well. And then up here you have all your coach blinds throughout the coach are these day and night shade blinds. Just push them up and push them down with ease. You have a double stainless steel sink, and you have ample storage underneath the sink as well, along with 3 drawers alongside. You have your basic microwave convection oven up here, and then you have your light and your fan for when you're cooking on the stovetop. It does have a 2-burner stovetop with a glass top. And then you also have a nice good sized drawer down here as well. Over here you have your dinette, and you can see that it has 4 seat belts, so you can sit 4 here as you're traveling down the road. This also does make into a bed. You just lift up on the table. The table comes down and it just lays underneath the cushions here on the edges of the dinette, and then you'll just lay your cushions down and this will make into a small bed. You got more storage up here, up above the dinette. And then over here you have 2 really good sized pantries. And then over here you've got your refrigerator and freezer, which operate both off of electricity, or it automatically will switch over to gas when you're traveling down the road. You have a privacy curtain here that slides across, and this will block off the bedroom from the rest of the coach. And then if you come to the back here, you'll see you've got more storage up above the bed, and this is your slide, and it's fully extended right now. And again, you have a switch over here that you can either operate from the front or the back to bring in or out your slide. When you are running the slide in or out, if you're getting ready to bring your slide in, you're just going to lift up this mattress, and then you just push the button and the slide will come on in. When you get slide completely extended out, you just bring the mattress back over and you just flip it back down and your bed's ready to make. You also have a huge wardrobe closet back here in the back, along with 2 drawers for storage. And this is your emergency exit window. So you just flip these latches and the window will swing out if you need to get out. And last but not least, you have your bathroom. So you have up here in the ceiling, you have a fan vent combination. So with just a switch, you can just turn your fan on. That'll help pull out the moisture of the coach when you're taking a shower. It'll keep the moisture off the walls. You have a stainless steel sink. Got some more storage down here as well. A nice good sized medicine cabinet. And then you've got your shower curtain, and you've got a nice step-in shower, along with a little bar up there that you can hang whatever you want to on the bar, your towels or whatever. You also got a little hanger right there on the wall. So if you have any questions on the 22C or any of our other rental fleet, please stop on by our dealership here on Willow Creek Road. Give us a call at 928-445-7910 or check us out online at affinityrv.com. Thank you.